By the end of this lesson, you will be able to use a world map to explain where India is and how its position connects different map features. Imagine a large map spread across a classroom table. One learner finds India, while another follows lines, coast shapes, and water spaces around it. The map seems to contain several clues, but they all point to one connected location story. The world map places India in Asia, and the closer view places it within the southern Asian region called South Asia. Follow the map from the larger area to the smaller one. India lies in Asia and South Asia. The continent is the larger location, and the region gives a closer location. Start with the world, narrow to Asia, and then to South Asia. The map changes scale, but India's location stays the same, so both descriptions are correct. The zoomed views reveal a useful location method. Map layers narrow a location. A broad map names the continent, while a closer map identifies the region. Use the two highlighted map areas. Which continent and region contain India? The nested map areas give the response. India is in Asia, within South Asia. The closer highlighted area sits inside the larger Asian land area. Next, we will use the equator and prime meridian to place India in two hemispheres. India is above the equator and east of the prime meridian, so it lies in the northern and eastern hemispheres. The two reference lines now give a precise position. India lies north and east. North refers to the equator, and east refers to the prime meridian. The equator gives the north, south half, and the prime meridian gives the east, west half. Reading India's side of both lines places it in the northern and eastern hemispheres. Combine both line clues rather than using only one. Two lines give two hemispheres. The equator gives north or south, and the prime meridian gives east or west. Read India's position against both reference lines. In which two hemispheres is India located? The two sides of the globe confirm it. India is in the northern and eastern hemispheres. It is above the equator and east of the prime meridian. Next, we will identify the three major water spaces around India. The Indian Ocean lies south of India, the Arabian Sea lies west, and the Bay of Bengal lies east. The two seas connect with the wider Indian Ocean. The three arrows organize the map clearly. South, west, and east locate the waters. These direction clues help us place each water body correctly around India. Maps give separate names to useful parts of one connected water system. The Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal are labeled differently, but both connect with the Indian Ocean. The labels separate places without separating the water. Named seas remain connected to the ocean. A different map label does not mean the water body is completely separate. Match each direction arrow with its label. What lies south, west, and east of India? The map directions arrange the answer. The Indian Ocean lies south, the Arabian Sea west, and the Bay of Bengal east of India. All three labels fit the connected water around the peninsula. Next, we will use India's land connection and surrounding water to explain Peninsular India. Peninsular India has water on three sides, but remains joined to a larger landmass in the north. So India is not an island. One visible land connection changes the classification. Peninsular India stays joined to land. That northern connection is the key difference from an island. A peninsula needs water on three sides and a land connection on the fourth. India's northern land connection means it cannot be classified as an island. The classification depends on both clues together. 3 water sides plus 1 land link. Together, these features identify a peninsula. Check the northern edge and the 3 water sides. Why is India a peninsula rather than an island? The shape and connection settle the classification. India has water on 3 sides, but remains joined to a larger landmass in the north. An island would have water on every side. Next, we will see how this peninsular shape creates long coastlines and supports maritime contacts. Water on 3 sides gives peninsular India long coastlines, and these sea-facing edges support maritime contacts with other places. The highlighted edge shows the result of the peninsula shape. Peninsular India has long coastlines. Much of the land edge meets the sea on the west, south, and east. A long coastline creates many points where land can connect with sea routes. This allows people, goods, and ideas to move between India and other places by sea. Now follow the arrows from the coast outward. Coastlines open routes for maritime contact. Sea-facing edges allow movement between the land and wider water routes. Use the highlighted coast and outward arrows. How does peninsular India support maritime contacts? The cause and effect chain is visible on the map. Water on 3 sides gives India long coastlines that connect with sea routes. These routes support contact with other places. Next, you will combine continents, oceans, islands, and peninsulas in one labeled map task. On the map, Asia is a continent, the Indian Ocean an ocean, Sri Lanka an island, and India a peninsula. Each label matches a different geographic category. The 4 callout lines point to 4 different feature types. Map labels must match place and category. A correct name in the wrong position or category is still an incorrect label. Identify the visible feature, choose its category, and then place the name. Using location and category together prevents labels from being correct words in incorrect places. A reliable labeling routine uses 2 checks. Check the location and the feature type. Both checks are needed before writing a map label. Use each pointer and the feature shape it touches. Which 4 labels correctly complete the map task, the map and category rules work together. Asia, continent, Indian Ocean, ocean, Sri Lanka, island, India, peninsula. Each label matches both the location and the feature type. Finally, we will reconstruct India's complete map story from all the clues. India is in Asia and South Asia, in the northern and eastern hemispheres, with named waters around its peninsular shape. The separate clues now connect around one central map. India's location is one connected system. Continent, region, hemispheres, water, and land shape all describe the same place. Organize the evidence from broad location to region, hemispheres, surrounding water and land shape. This sequence creates a clear description and corrects the island and separate ocean misconceptions. The full explanation works because every claim has map evidence. Every location claim needs a visible clue. The map should show why each part of the description is correct. Build one sentence from the 4 clue groups. How can you describe India's world position in one connected statement? Now the complete map story comes together. India lies in South Asia, in the northern and eastern hemispheres with the Indian Ocean south, Arabian Sea west, and Bay of Bengal east. Its land remains joined in the north, making it peninsular. Each part matches a visible map clue. You are ready to locate India, interpret its surrounding map features, and explain its position accurately.